There's been a video that has now been shared by BJP's Amit Malviya, and he seems to be calling out the Congress Party President Mallikarjun Kharge, and he shared it saying that this is the sequence, rather, when it comes to the sycophancy or the level of sycophancy that is followed within the leaders there when they bow before the Gandhi Parivar. So there is a video that has now been shared by BJP's Amit Malviya where Mallikarjun Kharge on the floor of the house seems to be saying कि मेरे को बनाने वाली सोनिया गांधी है, and Sonia Gandhi is sitting right next to him as far as he seems to be addressing the chair while he made that statement, and that clip has now been posted by BJP's Amit Malviya. Now, as far as the sycophancy has been the allegation that has now been leveled on part of the BJP. This video, rather, that has been now posted by Mr. Amit Malviya himself, where he goes on to say that this is what Congress brand of sycophancy looks like. Let's take a look at this video that has been posted.
को बनाने वाले यहाँ बैठे हैं श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी जी। ना रमेश बना सकता है, ना आप बना सकते हैं, जनता ने मुझे बनाया।
खड़गे जी, मैं उस स्तर पर नहीं आना चाहता। मेरी बात को ध्यान से सुनिए। मेरी बात को ध्यान से सुनिए। नहीं, सुनिए, नहीं, बैठिए। You cannot every time run down the chair. You cannot every time show disrespect to the chair. आप अचानक खड़े होते हैं और कुछ भी कह देते हैं, मेरी बात को समझते भी नहीं है। Never in the history of this country, never Kharge ji in the history of parliamentary democracy and Rajya Sabha proceedings, there has been such disregard of the chair as from you. You are forcing me, and I have said so on a number of occasions. You take it in a manner which is wrong. Time for you to reflect. Now, please, मेरे में बहुत पेशेंस है, बहुत सहन शक्ति है, खून की घूंट पी सकता हूँ। मैंने क्या बर्दाश्त किया है, कितना बर्दाश्त किया है, और आप फट खड़े होकर कह देते हैं, अरे आपको खड़गे जी, आपको किसने बनाया है ये आप अपने आप जाने। मैंने एक मुद्दा उठाया छोटा, चिदम्बरम जी प्लीज डोंट डू इट। मैंने जो मुद्दा उठाया, कैसे आपने ट्विस्ट किया, अंदाजा लगाइए। मेरे को भी पीड़ा होती है इतने सी। No, again there is a 24/7 functional person. और ऐसा नहीं है खड़गे जी, इतने मौके आए हैं जब आपकी प्रतिष्ठा को कितना बड़ा धक्का पीछे से लगा है, मैंने देखा है। मैंने आपकी प्रतिष्ठा को बचाने की कोशिश की है और आप मुझे लांछित कर रहे हैं। कल का दिन कितना भयानक था, आपने रिग्रेट एक्सप्रेस कर दी, अच्छी थी। सर ऐसा मत कीजिए, मैं सिंपल आदमी हूं, झुककर चलता हूं, जितना झुक सकता हूं झुकना चाहता हूं। कोई कहे मैं ज्यादा झुकता हूं, ठीक बात है, पर ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए।
As far as what happened within the House of proceedings, as far as there has been also a response that is now coming in from the chairman of the Rajya Sabha itself. Let me go across to Shivani now. Shivani, massive showdown that seems to be happening, of course, when it comes to the interaction that is happening between the chair and the parliamentarian. In this case, we are talking about Mallikarjun Kharge of the Congress Party.
Amita, it's not very usual to see how when the speaker or the chairman of the Rajya Sabha has to speak to the LOP in the house like that, and this is an incident where Mallikarjun Kharge got up and he said that mere ko banane wali Sonia Gandhi hai. To that remark, Jagdeep Dhankar, who's the chairman in the Rajya Sabha, he was in the chair, he has objected, he has lashed out at Mallikarjun Kharge. He said that no, never ever this kind of disregard has happened in the Rajya Sabha towards the chair. And this is how you are testing my patience. That's what he said, that I have a lot of patience in me. But then this is not how you should behave in the House. You are the leader of the opposition in the Rajya Sabha, and you get up suddenly, you cannot run down the chair. So he had to use all these words. So this is not happening, Amita, very frequently in Rajya Sabha, because this is the unusual behavior, especially on the part of the House of the LOP in the House. And Mallikarjun Kharge, who happens to be a very senior leader, he's aged about 81, while Sonia Gandhi, he's even elder to Sonia Gandhi, and he is standing there and he's saying that mere ko banane wali Sonia Gandhi hai, to which Jagdeep Dhankar has objected very strongly, and he has said that you should have some regard for the chair. Don't do this. This has never happened. So this is the kind of we are seeing the showdown that is happening in Rajya Sabha also, and this is a around 3-minute long video where we see Jagdeep Dhankar, the chairman Rajya Sabha. He has been very strong on his words towards Mallikarjun Kharge.
Absolutely, and the chair that is now pulled up, Mallikarjun Kharge, the leader of the opposition in the Rajya Sabha as well, saying that cannot run down the chair in this manner. The BJP itself has been also calling out and have been levelling the charges of sycophancy, or sycophancy as can be called, as far as Amit Malviya of the BJP sharing this video from the Sansad as well. As far as the sequence itself is concerned, that has now led to a massive showdown in the parliament as we talk about the Rajya Sabha, where the leader of the opposition and the face-off that seems to be happening between the chairman and vice president Jagdeep Dhankar, who has now pulled up Mallikarjun Kharge and saying that cannot run down the chair in such a manner. BJP meanwhile has also called out on Congress's sycophancy. But Shivani, as far as certain comments that were also made by Mallikarjun Kharge himself yesterday, that was also expunged, that was also taken off the record. We have seen such kind of stormy notes that have been witnessed in both houses of parliament.
Amita, in both the houses we see, whether in Lok Sabha, where the leader of the opposition, Rahul Gandhi, was speaking and he was giving a detailed speech, but it all went out of hand when he started just putting accusations on Hindu community. He said that Hindus are violent. When he also made a lot of allegations on the Agnipath scheme. He said that Agniveers are not being treated as regular soldiers, to which Rajnath Singh, the defense minister, had to get up, intervene, counter him then and there. And in Rajya Sabha also, Amita, we've seen that a lot of remarks from Mallikarjun Kharge, who happens to be the leader of the opposition in the Rajya Sabha, had made, and those remarks were also expunged. So we see a lot of disruption, a lot of chaos, and BJP has been asking for facts before making these kind of statements by both the leaders of the opposition, whether in the lower house or the upper house. And we see today the chair had to object to what Mallikarjun Kharge has been doing and saying, and not behaving in a regardful manner for the chair. He has to, it has been emphasized by the speaker, by the chairman of the Rajya Sabha, that as a leader of the opposition in the House, you have to have certain dignity, and you cannot just run down the chair as and when you feel like, and you just can't speak whatever you are speaking. You have to have some facts, you have to have some sanctity for the House, and that's what we are seeing here in both the houses. Amita.
All right, please do stay on with us, Shivani. We would want to play out that sequence against what happened in the Rajya Sabha as far as Mallikarjun Kharge, and also the conversation that happened with the chairman himself, where he was pulled up when it comes to certain statements that were made by Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, the leader of the opposition in the Rajya Sabha.
The senior leadership is here. I think you should replace. 1 second, Jairam Ramesh. You are so intelligent, so gifted, so talented. You should immediately come and take seat in place of Mr. Kharge, because by and large you are doing his job.
सर मेरा टाइम का ध्यान रखिएगा, मेरे टाइम का।
खड़गे जी, आप सोचिए, खड़गे जी,
Don't bring that Varnashram.
क्या?
Still in your mind that Varna system is there. That's why you are calling Ramesh. He's a very intelligent, very that, and I am dull, so that he should be replaced.
No. 1 second. बैठिए खड़गे जी, बैठिए, एक बार बैठिए। खड़गे जी, मैं 1 सेकंड प्लीज। नहीं, सुनिए, एक बात सुनिए। खड़गे जी, आप मेरी बात को नहीं समझ पाए। जितना मैं आपका आदर करता हूं उसका एक अंश भी आप मेरे लिए करेंगे दिल को टटोल कर तो आपको महसूस होगा। मैंने कहा क्या है? मैंने ये कहा है कि जब सुन तो नहीं रहे आप, जब प्रथम पंक्ति के अंदर आप जैसा व्यक्तित्व है, 56 साल का अनुभव है, उनको भी हर कदम के ऊपर जयराम रमेश टिक्का टिप्पणी करके मदद करना चाहते हैं। अभी देखिए, अभी देखिए, अभी देखिए, अभी देखिए, एक प्रॉब्लम है जिसको आपको सोल्व करना है। आपको मैंने बहुत अनुरोध किया है।
ऐसी बात करते
देखिए,
मेरे को बनाने वाले यहाँ बैठे हैं, श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी जी। ना रमेश बना सकता है, ना आप बना सकते हैं, जनता ने मुझे बनाया।
खड़गे जी, मैं उस स्तर पर नहीं आना चाहता। मेरी बात को ध्यान से सुनिए। मेरी बात को ध्यान से सुनिए। नहीं, सुनिए, नहीं, बैठिए। You cannot every time run down the chair. You cannot every time show disrespect to the chair. आप अचानक खड़े होते हैं और कुछ भी कह देते हैं, मेरी बात को समझते भी नहीं है। Never in the history of this country, never, Khadge ji, in the history of parliamentary democracy and Rajya Sabha proceedings, there has been such disregard of the chair as from you. You are forcing me, and I have said so on a number of occasions. You take it in a manner which is wrong. Time for you to reflect.